Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Bluetooth module from a Dell Precision M6700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide locking mechanism to the side to release the battery. Now use fingers to gently unsnap and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Next, unscrew and disconnect Bluetooth module. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.